Ever wondered why some people manage to leave a significant mark in the world while others just pass by unnoticed? The answer lies in making smart decisions. Now, let's take a moment to chew on that nugget of wisdom. The essence of who we are isn't determined by the impressive speeches we give, but by the actions we take and the paths we decide to follow. This profound insight was shaped by Bishop Dixon, William T., the brilliant mind behind Gaining Favor with God and Man. His words, like a lighthouse, guide us through the foggy waters of life. He taught that greatness isn't a product of chance, it's crafted with forethought, intentionality, and perseverance. It's about seeking the principles of success, rather than waiting for them to fall into our laps. As if we're on a scavenger hunt, but the treasure is our own potential. And the map? Well, that's decided by our decisions. People perish for lack of knowledge. So it's not about the external forces, it's about your decisions. Do you know that those who wrote down their dreams were richer? Fascinating, isn't it? There's something profoundly potent about the act of transcribing one's dreams. It's as if you're crafting a contract with your future self, a pact that whispers, "I will not forget, and I will not give up." Now let's talk about those unstoppable people, the ones who refuse to be halted by excuses or roadblocks. They're the ones who, when faced with a wall, don't just stand there contemplating its height. No, they're already calculating the number of bricks needed to build a ladder. They make decisions, small but determined ones, every single day that inch them closer to their dreams. You might be wondering, what's their secret? Well, they've got a healthy dose of stubbornness and a dash of madness, but most importantly, they've got an insatiable appetite for progress. They're like those folks who insist on eating the broccoli at a buffet, even when there's cake. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in our case, a single decision. Life is too short for distractions, isn't it? So how can we make the most of it? Let's talk about what we call the singleness of purpose. Imagine a magnifying glass, harnessing sunlight to ignite paper. That's the power of focus, of concentrated energy. It's about directing all your efforts, your thoughts, your energy towards one goal, one purpose. And here's a funny thing about focus. It's not just about the intensity, but also the consistency. It's like running a marathon, not a sprint. You've got to keep your eyes on the prize every day, every moment. Living for a noble objective gives us a sense of immortality. It doesn't mean we'll live forever in a physical sense, but our impact, our influence will resonate long after we're gone. It's the legacy we leave behind, the footprints on the sands of time. So it's time to ask ourselves, what is our noble objective? What decision are we going to make today that will bring us closer to it? Because in the end, our decisions shape our destiny. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now and embark on a journey of transformation. Don't miss out on empowering content that will guide you towards making the right decisions to define your future. Your destiny awaits.